Hello guys, how are you all? This is Prashant. I welcome you all to this topic. As in the series of Open Office, we discuss so many tabs. So today we are going to discuss about the Format tab. So let's begin. The Format tab consists of command required for formatting the document. So formatting the document means you have to write down something, and by selecting that, you can do a little bit formatting on that. Means you can make the changes on that. You can change the appearance of that. Okay. So these are the things that we are going to discuss. So here from the 802 information technology for class 11th, we are going to discuss character, paragraph, bullet numbers, page, case changes, column, and alignments. So here we are going to begin today's topic. So please subscribe the channel and watch the video till end. So as you can see, just now I have written something here. I copied and pasted the same content which just now I read. So this is the content. So when you want to use this format feature, so you should have a selection of the text. Most of the features are going to be used when you are going to select the text. Okay, so make it sure. So first of all, we have the characters. So characters means you want to change the style. Let's suppose I want to change the style. I have to select this format character. Now character means you can change the font style, you can change the font size, you can change the font effect. So many things are available. So let's suppose I want to use this. It is going to show you the preview here. You can check the preview and you can apply that. Okay. So let's suppose I'm going to select some different one, and which is okay, that is quite good for you. You can make it bold, you can make it bold italic. It is your opinion how you are going to set. Now you can, if you want to increase the size, you can increase the size and click on OK button. So that is going to be implement on your selected text area. Okay. Next we have the paragraph. Now paragraph is what? When you this is so let's suppose this is an example of a paragraph. So when you want to shift the text, when you want to give the distance between the text, so or if you want the indent spacing means the space from the first line to next line, and means this is the indent spacing from corners. This is the indent spacing. So if you want this one, so you can set the paragraph. There are many features available. You can select according to your opinion. So here you can see alignment, text flow, border. So many things are available here which you can apply. So just now I'm going to paste a little bit. Just now I'm going to paste a text so that I can apply these features. Okay, I'm going to paste the text. Okay, now you can see this is I'm going to select format paragraph. Okay, selection, I think you know how to do selection the text. Okay, so outline, number style, so many features of indent spacing. So you can see here indent spacing. You can see this preview, you must see that is going to be changed. Okay, first line you can must check. Okay, 1 inches, 2 inches, how much between the above the paragraph, below the paragraph, this you can understand. Now you can see this is space and this is space below the paragraph and apply OK. So now you can see the difference. The indent space, this is the indent space. Okay, this is as I told you, this is the indent space between the paragraph, above the paragraph, below the paragraph. Okay, so like that now you can see the below the paragraph space. These things you can understand. Okay, now you can select it back, format paragraph. Okay, now you can reset everything. Okay, or you can reduce the value to 00, then you can go back. Now border, if you want the border, then you can select the border, size of the border, and apply an OK. Now this paragraph is in the border. Actually this is a copy and pasted text, it is not in a proper way, so I'm going to adjust this. Okay, I think this is pretty clear to everyone what is it, border and all. So next we have a format bullet and numbering. Okay, bullet and numbering. Now you can see I wrote some text by pressing the enter. So now what you can do, you can select, go to the format and bullet and numbers. Bullet and numbers will give a list. If you want to represent a list, that time you can use this one. Okay, so like that it will come. If you will press enter, then it will come with the help of enter. Okay, as you want to make a sub list of that, so sub list of that, for making the sub list you can click on bullet and numbers. Okay, now you can go with the outline and select any particular list and OK. Okay, so now you can press the tab to make the sub list. So now you can see these are the different one, this is a different one. Okay, so now you can write down again, how are you Okay, so like that you can make. This is the sublist. If you want to remove the sublist, control shift plus tab you can press, and it will begin again from the main bullet list. Okay, so this is the thing that you can understand. Now if you want to convert them in the number form, you can select format, bullet numbers, and number, and you can select any number style whichever you like and click on OK. So now it is converted in the number format. I think this is pretty clear to everyone. Now the next we have case change. Case change we have, so you can see sentence, lower, upper, capitalization, and toggle case. So here you can see sentence case. Sentence case means the first word should be the capital, rest can be the small one. So I'm going to apply this. Okay, so I'm going to write down, how are you my friend, how are you my friend. Okay, so this is the normal sentence case. Actually it is written properly, first word capital, rest are then the things are small, but I'm going to change it first of all lowercase. So lowercase, you can see this is lowercase. Okay, for the lowercase what I must do, I'm going to write down everything in the capital. How are you my friend. Okay, so now this, you can see this is the capital. If I will select it, I can convert this in the lowercase. So now it is lowercase. Now if you want to convert the lowercase into uppercase or a capital case, so what you can do, case change, uppercase. So now all the things are going to be in the capital case. Now select again. Now case change, capitalize each every word, capitalize every word. Capitalize every word means first word of every word. First word of every word, you can see this is going to be capitalized. Okay, HAUMF. This is pretty clear, I think so. Next we have toggle case. Toggle case means the first word of each word is going to be converted into the small, and rest things are going to be capital. Okay, yeah, you can see first word is converted into small, and rest the things are in capital. Okay, I think this is pretty clear to everyone. Okay, actually this is due to the format style. I'm going to change it. Here I'm going to convert this with the help of Arial. I'm going to use. Okay, now it will be pretty clear to you to see. F is small, M is small, Y is small, A is small, the H is small. Okay, so I think this is pretty clear to everyone. Next we have lower sentence case. I want to change it in the sentence case. You can select, you can go with the format, change case, sentence case. So now you can see this is the sentence case, simple writing, whatever you are going to write down on the copies and all. This is the simple sentence. Okay, so I think this is pretty clear to everyone till here. The case changes. Now we have the columns. Let's I think you have seen the this newspapers are coming in the columns, means here it is going to be make a one column and the second column. So like that it will come. So what you have to do, click on insert and the columns. Now this is going to be show you the features: one column, three column, one column greater, small column, small first and second major. So like that you can create. So just now I'm going to insert two columns. You can insert the number, increase the number of the columns from here. So just now you can see this is the preview, it is showing you, and click on OK. So now you can see here this is the column division. Okay, so whatever I'm going to paste it now, whatever I'm going to write it now, it will come into the next page also. Okay, so now you can see this is the, like that you are getting the newspaper cutting. Okay, I think this is pretty clear to everyone. Just now I pasted the same thing, so you can see that changes in that. Okay, now we have the columns, we have done it. Now we have the alignments. Just now I applied few alignments here. Just now you can see this text, it is equal from the both the ends, from front and from the last, from the front and from the rear. You can see from the starting, all the lines are equal, and at the end of all the lines are equal. So this is known as justify the text. So I can write down here justify. Okay, so this is the justified text. Okay, similarly you can see all the things are in the center. So what is it? It is the center alignment. Okay, as you can see all the things are starting from the right side. So what is it? It is the right alignment. You can see here right alignment. Okay, this is the right alignment. Now you can see here this is all the things are starting from the left side, and there is a means it is not proper at the back side. So it is a normal text writing, it is the left alignment. So, okay, so we have the four types of alignment: right alignment, left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, and the justify alignment. So I think this is pretty clear to all of you. Whatever the features you are getting in the formatting options, you can get all the features here: bold, italic, underline, font change, font style change. Okay, you can see here. Just now I can select it. Okay, there you can change the default heading if you want to convert them, and if you want to change the style of writing, then you can click from here. If you want to change the size, then you can click from here. If you want to make it bold, italic, underline, justify, alignment, center, these are the features you can get it from here. Let's suppose I want to convert them in the bullet order, so you can convert them in the bullet order. So like that, this is the line number 1, this is paragraph number 1, or in the, if you want to convert them in this way, then you can convert. Okay, and one thing I want to tell you more. Okay, the indent spacing you can set from here also. You can set the indent spacing from here. Okay, you can change the color, you can fill the color. So many features are available, so that thing you can do. So I hope this format tab is clear to everyone. So we will meet in the next lecture. If you have any doubt, if you have any problem, you can write down in the chat comment section. I will tell you the things. Thank you, have a nice day. Please subscribe the channel. Bye bye.